Hello, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macabo. Guys, let me show you how to make your soya meat or your barbecue or your roast meat. Yes, and then the best meat to use to get this perfect finishing. I've got 10 pounds of worth of money meat there. It's beef mix, bone and meat. It's the best to do your roast soya meat with. Yes, guys, so don't worry, I'm not wasting water there. It's just I bought this meat from the open market and it's summer, it's fly everywhere, guys. So once you washed your meat, leave it to drain out that excess water. Go along with your preferred seasonings you have. That is black and mix pepper with red pepper, and then also curry powder, then chicken and cow head seasonings. I use 1 or 2 spoons. So I transfer the meat into the bowl and add all the seasonings, lemon, lime, 1 spoon, then with 2 spoons of oil. Guys, once you finish adding all that seasonings, go ahead and mix and leave to marinate. You can leave this to marinate in the fridge for 2 hours or 3 hours. I didn't add salt because the seasoning contains salt. So get your baking tray and transfer the meat onto the baking tray and try to use a knife to get it separate very well, like so. Then you can also go along with cling film to cover it before you put in the oven or the grill. Then you start with 200 Celsius degree, preheat the oven first. So once you start with that, you will see how this meat will finish up with nice flavor, really good. So you can see, you can go ahead and pay attention to it, mix it, and then if it has excess stock water like this, just get that out and then you set that aside for when you're cooking with something, or you can always go ahead and put it on top of the meat like that, and then it gets the meat hydrated. Yes, we don't want it too dry, then you get this perfect finished look. As you can see, you see how it look juicy and not overcooked, guys. You just pay attention to the oven, the heat. Just adjust the heat as you see how you want your meat, guys, because I don't know how your oven is like, guys. So you just have to pay attention to that so that you can have the finish. Then you get your bell pepper, onions, red, white, then you can top it up with your meat. So we use this can to eat our meat in Africa. So as you can see how the meat finish really red, pink. See, finish well, it's really good. So this is can they make in Africa. Seasonings is so nice. I bought it with me, very nice. That is the chili, that one is the plain one. Oh my god, it's so nice. These guys know how to do is can very well. It's so good, guys. So I hope the video helped you in any way. If it does, please subscribe and like. Then you go ahead with your fried plantain, sweet potato, and then yams. More secret recipe like this is coming, guys, for you. So please subscribe and like for more.